Hey, my name is Jeremy, a brand designer from Sydney, Australia, and in today's class, I'm going to show you how to create websites in Editor X. I'm going to show you the basics of the platform on how to create really cool websites, whether you're an agency owner, a freelancer, or someone who wants to shift into web design. Editor X is a great web creation tool that allows you to create websites to how you want them, customize them in the way you want without even knowing code. It is a no-code tool, and it's a really cool tool on crafting amazing experiences on the web. We'll talk a little bit about grids and Flexbox and the layouter tools in Editor X, and we're gonna have a blast creating cool websites. Now, for the class project, all you have to do is create one website based on a real client or a concept project. It could be for a tech company, it could be for the local coffee shop, whatever it is. Just create one simple website, and let's put all the tips and tricks into practice and take action on that. So enroll into the class today, and I'll see you in there, and let's create amazing websites together.